Today we're going to learn about functions. So what is a function? A function isn't the same as an equation because equations have to have equal signs. Not all functions have equal signs. So for example, this is how we write a function. So let's say we have a function f. Let's call it f of x. F of x equals x squared. So what does that mean? Well, you can think of a function kind of like a box. So let's say it's called f of x, and you can put in x, and then out of it you get something. So for example, for f of x equals x squared, you get x squared out of it. So when you plug in x to f of x into f of x, you get x squared. So for example, if we plug in 2 into f of x, we get 4 because that's 2 squared. It's pretty easy to understand. Let's do another one. Let's say we have, instead of f, let's write g of x equals x squared when x is greater than 3 and x when x is less than 3. This is a more interesting function. So let's plug in 4 to it. Well, 4 is greater than 3, so we have to plug in 4 squared. So if we plug in 4 into it, we get 16. Now let's plug in 2 into it. Well, if we plug in 2, we just get 2 because 2 is less than 3. And remember, when we plug in a number less than 3, we get the same number. So that's a little more complicated function. So functions are pretty easy to understand, but they're not always equations because they don't always have an equal sign. Hope you learned about functions in this video. If you have any questions, comment below. See you in the next video.